Hello students, how are you all? I hope your exams went very well. I'm expecting a positive outcome for all of you. Okay. Every student's mind is having one common question that how much is the score and what is the result, whether it's a pass or fail. That is the common question will be there in the every student's mind for the next coming 50 or 60 days during this time, waiting time. Okay, so I thought that let's give some a realistic and a logical way of predicting their marks, predicting their performance, so that at least they will be in the reality. Okay, this video is only for the education purpose to know about how you perform during the examination. This video is not meant to show the correct result of exact result of the outcome after 50 or 60 days. This is just a an experiment. Okay, by the way, this is just an experiment to know about your performance. Let us see how this template works. Okay, take any question paper, either it's a law, audit, out of 8 subjects, and take any question paper. Categorize your answers into three categories: A, B, and C. So, what are these categories? A category is A, and I have written the description here, and complete Excel file is available in the description box to this video, and you can download and assess your marks. Category A, what is this category A? Category A are those answers which you have written very well, and you included all notes and workings, assumptions, whatever is required in the examination. You performed it very well. Those questions will come under the category A. If you take law for example, and out of 70 marks of descriptive, how many marks will falls under the category A? That means you written very well. And category B, once you categorize the questions into the category A, then comes to the category B. What is category B? Category B is average performance, and you know the partial answer, you doesn't know the answer to the remaining part of the question. For example, in the law, if there are two points were there, two questions were there, A and B, you know the answer for A, you know only partial answer for B. Those kind of questions will comes under category B. Okay, category B are those questions which are not written very well like category A. Those questions will falls under category B, like average performance. And category C. Category C are those questions which are doesn't fall under either in category A or category B. Mostly these questions you doesn't know the answer, but you try to attempt the answer. Mostly these kind of questions we will write in the last 15-20 minutes or half an hour during the examination. Okay, these questions will come under category C. Now you categorize your answers into A, B, and C. Now it's time to fill the template. Okay, let me remove these numbers from here. Okay, let us take audit as the example, and descriptive paper is for 70 marks, and the MCQ is for 30 marks. Sorry, 30 marks. Out of 30 marks, for example, you have scored around 23 marks for MCQs. MCQs will always fall under category only seriously, because either it's a correct or incorrect. It won't fall under an average performance or lower performance. It either it's a correct thing, falls under category A, or it falls under nowhere if it is incorrect. Okay, let us take 23 marks. You out of 30 you are getting 23 marks. That means it's a reasonably good amount, good number, I would say. 23 marks, and you have written 50 marks very well in the descriptive paper. Out of 70, 50 marks very well in the descriptive paper, that will fall under category A. I am taking combinedly a standard deduction of 30%. Final marks, I am taking only 51 marks here. If you see the percentage formula here, I am taking a 70% marks only. Why? The reason, even in the MCQs, sometimes we thought it is a correct answer. It may not be the correct answer. I'm just taking the 30% standard deduction for MCQs as well. For the descriptive paper, because of the presentation and ICA standard of writing, especially in the audit and law and tax and law paper, especially, as is a direct or indirect tax laws, the language that we will use and language expected by the institute will be different, and the presentation may be different. Content, we think it is 100% 100% full and complete, but ICA feels it's a short of the content. So because of all these things, the quality of the answers, I took a 30% standard deduction for this. Your score will be 51 final marks under category A. Category B. Category B, here 50 marks are over, descriptive type. Remaining 20 marks you have written under category B. And category B, again I took a standard deduction of 50%. Why 50%? Because this is not your complete answer. This is just an average performance. Average performance, I took a 50% standard deduction. Being in the reality is better than making some theoretical expectations. So that's the reason why I just kept it 50% standard deduction here. Your final marks will be 10 marks if you write it for 20 marks. And category C will be 0. And you got an exemption, that is 61. Once you got 60 or above, because of the if condition, automatically here in the column name it will populate whether exemption or not an exemption. And once you fill for marks for all the subjects, I'm not filling marks for all the subjects because this video takes long time, and because I explained this, let's do it for corporate law as well. Okay, out of this corporate law, 20 marks is for MCQs. And for example, you take 60 marks, you written very well, and there is no category B here, and remaining 10 marks you just attempted in the exam, that will falls under category C, and you got 58 marks, there is no exemption, you got 58. Finally, once you fill for all 8 subjects, I kept here a standard deduction of 10 marks. The reason why I kept the standard deduction of 10 marks is because sometimes we may miscategorize the answers. We thought it's a category A, but actually it falls under category B. So those kind of errors, I just took a overall out of 8 subjects 10 marks standard deduction, and your final marks will be there here. Automatically your result will appear here due to some if condition. No need to do anything related to these formulas, and I just need to punch the numbers. Okay, group 1 result and group 2 result will come. And I given again a disclaimer here. What is the purpose of this template? This purpose is only for the education purpose, to know about your performance during the examination. This is not the actual result. The only place where you need to edit means punch the numbers is in this blue color columns, blue color headers. Okay, this is the only place. Rest of the things will already formula driven, it will follow. Okay, I hope you like this video, you understand this template better, and please share it with all your friends who are under ambiguity and anxiety about their score, and share it in all the Telegram and WhatsApp groups of the students groups to know about this template. And please like, share, and subscribe this channel for more useful information. If you like this video, please like karo video को, and you type your in the comment section, you type your marks, how much marks that you get using this template, and be realistic, be honest while you are giving categorizing the your answers. Okay, I hope you enjoy this video. Signing off, this is Viresh, you are watching Viresh Academy YouTube channel. Bye.